Are you tired of the Danish climate? Cold and rainy weather can make your day sad. Vietnam Travel can release the vacation you're dreaming about. Book your ticket on our website vietnamnowrejser.com. We offer cheap vacations with quality in focus, and we are sure that we got one for you. Vietnam offers a lot of experiences for the tourists. For example, tropic beaches, cultural experiences, and hotel, which is very cheap. Discover historical sites from such Vietnam War or experience the amazing city life. Taste the Vietnamese food and see the amazing nature that only can be found in Vietnam. Vien Long and red sand dunes are just a few of the many amazing nature places. But all this is just a part of the paradise Vietnam. The special thing about Vietnam Travel is that we offer our customers all kinds of flights and vacations. Do you like charter, active vacation, tour vacation, cultural experiences, big city holiday, golf vacation or cruises? We offer all kinds of flights, vacations and holidays. Book your holiday with Vietnam Travel and discover the true Asian paradise. Vietnam Rejser. Instantly connect to what's most important to you.